guys, and welcome back to another one of my crochet videos. In this video I'd like to show you how to do an increase. This is an incredible stitch to do, especially when you're doing amigurumis, which is crochet teddies like this little guy, my worry pet here, my mascot. So to start with, I'm going to take my 4mm hook and a ball of wool, and I've already worked up a little block here just so I can demonstrate this stitch for you. So an increase, which is known as an INC in your pattern, it's incredibly easy to do. The basics of it are you just put 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and that creates the increase for you. So without further ado, let's get comfy with our hook and wool, and working in this next stitch here, I'm going to put a single crochet in there. And then working in the same stitch, I'm going to put another single crochet. This is all in US terminology. So again, in the next stitch, I'm going to put a single crochet and then another one. One more time in the next stitch, pop a single crochet in there, and then in the same stitch another single crochet. And that's how you make an increase. It's a nice, easy, basic, quick one to do. Just 2 singles in the same stitch. So I really hope that this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks again. See you next time.